So this will be the second part of our blue adventure. I already did a pour with these colors, and I'm going to do a second pour now with these same colors. And I'm going to tell you the colors, and they are, this one is Cobalt Turquoise Hue, this one is Prussian Blue Hue, this is Primary Cyan, this one is Silver from Americana Décor Metallics, and this one is Pearl from Americana Décor Metallics. So let's start our pour on a 7 ounces cup. I think this is 5 ounces, so let's do the 5 ounces then. What I put in there. Maybe we're just going to do, change my mind. We're going to use a paper towel roll, a tube, paper towel tube, and we're going to pour directly in here. So for that, you have to start with white. So I'm going to start by putting white to my surface. I have the paper towel roll in there. I'm going to start with white and put the colors randomly in there. We can put white around and start sipping it and move it, and I'm gonna let it go in here. And I'm gonna move it to another place and do some more. So let's start white. Doesn't matter in what order you put the blues. I put some of the silver. That was maybe too much silver. Let's let it sip in there. Okay. Wow. Have to let it flow a tiny bit. I think I'm going to, I don't want to overextend myself. That was enough in there. Wow, that looks like a heart. I think I need to put another one in here. And I need to okay. So let's put another one in here. Start with the white. Not too much white left. Hope you like my experimenting. And please watch all my videos. I drag it in there, inventing. Let's move that in there. Move it in here a tiny bit. It's not specific rules for anything, okay? You just play. And maybe I am playing too much. We just put it so that it goes to that side. And then I'm going to torch it. Overextended all my cells. And now I'm going to torch it. Different from other times, just playing. Doing something different. Normally I take my colors out, but I didn't this time. Let's see what's happened. What's gonna happen in here. Oh, I think I created something different. Because always cannot always be with the same type of cells, same type of movement. I really like what happened in there. It's different. I elongated my cells so that I could cover the edges. I still can put some in there. I have some color in my stick that I can put in there. See if I can take some pretty from here. There. Like that better. And I'm gonna move it a tiny bit. Check my corners. Wow. I like it because it's completely different from what I normally do. Not the same type of cells, it's different movement. And you know, I knew I was overextending my cells, but I wanted to cover my surface. And not every time you want to have the same type of cells. So I really like what I did. Wow, it's different. I will show you. It is very pretty. And I know it's gonna dry pretty because it has pretty colors. And they're premium colors with our wonderful colors. So this is it. So this is this piece before it is embellished. Okay, I didn't like this area in here, so I'm gonna put something in there and you will see when I'm done, okay? So let me show it to you before, so then later I'm gonna show you the after. Okay, please join me. Just finished doing this enhancement to my pour, a Peeking Orca. I hope you like it. Please come back for more. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining me.